Looking to speed up your computer and handle multitasking like a pro? Upgrading your system memory with crucial DDR3 RAM can make a noticeable difference in responsiveness and app performance. Whether you're running everyday programs or juggling multiple tasks, this upgrade helps your PC work faster and smoother. Installing new memory might sound intimidating, but Crucial makes it simple. No technical skills needed, just follow their clear how-to guides available online. Plus, tools like the Crucial System Scanner and Crucial Advisor ensure you get the right memory compatible with your system, so you avoid guesswork or compatibility issues. Crucial's memory modules come with Micron's trusted quality backed by 42 years of expertise. Each component undergoes rigorous testing at both the module and component level to guarantee reliability. This means you get a product that not only boosts speed but also stands up to long-term use without hiccups. This particular DDR3 memory features a 240-pin UDIMM form factor, runs at PC3-12800 speed, and supports voltage of 1.35 volts or 1.5 volts. It's a non-ECC 2RX8 configuration, designed to fit most standard desktop systems needing a reliable and efficient upgrade. It's perfect for general-use PCs looking for a quick and effective speed boost. One user from the U.S. praised the memory for being super fast and exactly as described. Another pointed out the great value it offers, especially for everyday computer use, even if they're not gaming. The upgrade helped speed up their older computer and was an easy fix to sluggish performance caused by demanding software. If your computer feels slow or struggles when running multiple apps, this crucial DDR3 memory is worth considering. It tackles the common problem of memory-hungry programs that bog down systems. With a straightforward installation and proven quality, it's a practical way to extend the life and improve the speed of your current PC. Ready to give your computer a speed boost without hassle? Check out Crucial's DDR3 memory options and use their compatibility tools to find the perfect fit. If that's you, upgrading your RAM could be the simple change that makes a big difference in daily performance. Try it when you're ready and see how much smoother your system runs. Faster app launches, better multitasking, and reliable performance are just a memory upgrade away.